Sky 5344, turning departure 128.57.
Departure 128.57, SkyWest 5344. Car departure, Mayday, 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 SkyWest 5344. We got a stab trim runaway, stand by.
SkyWest 5344, SIG in the issue.
We have a trim runaway. We're trying to get it under control. We need paramedic right now.
SkyWest 5344, when able, stay in tension.
SkyWest 5344, we'd like to return to the field for 28 right.
SkyWest 5344, Roger, Bravo is current. Understand you're looking for 28 right. Are you ready to return at this time?
Yeah, we'll return at the time, SkyWest 5344.
And for SkyWest 5344, can we get a vector back to O'Hare, please?
SkyWest 5344, turn right, heading 140, vectors for 28 right. Are you ready to go to about a 5-mile final and turn in?
We're going to need a little more time than that, but we don't want to get too far, so if we could just maybe just stay a little bit north of the field. I don't want to go over the lake too far, so if we could just hang out maybe 5-10 miles north of the field, we got around the checklist.
Okay, and when you're able, just let me know what altitude you can maintain there.
Sounds good, thanks. We can maintain 5,000 right now.
Okay, 44, Roger. Fly heading 1, can you do 120 heading for me?
Yeah. And be advised, our roll control is a little bit difficult too. We're going to need the trucks on the runway.
Okay. SkyWest 5344, when you have a moment, I just need your fuel and souls, please.
We got 48 souls on board, and we are 3,700 pounds fuel, SkyWest 5344.
3,000 how many pounds?
3,700.
Thanks, and the souls one more time, please.
48 souls on board.
Copy. SkyWest 5344, turn right, heading 160.
Right, 160, SkyWest 5344.
SkyWest 5344, they said if you don't want to go too far over the water, the 2-2s are an option too. Anything you need, you just let us know.
Okay, Roger. Stand by.
No problem. SkyWest 5344, there is room on the final if you want to go in right now. We'll move out of your way there. You just let us know how much time you want.
I'm going to need probably about 5 more minutes. But this heading...
Like a westbound turn, we'll just do one little lap here.
Yeah, that should work.
SkyWest 5344, turn right heading 270.
Right heading 270, SkyWest 5344.
SkyWest 5344, are you able to turn right heading 290?
Negative, we got to start heading towards the field. What are the winds?
The current winds are 150 at Niner. What do you need?
We'll take 22 left.
You want to go in now?
Yes.
SkyWest 5344, descend to maintain 3000, fly heading 180, intercept the 22 left localizer.
Maintain 3000, intercept 22 left, SkyWest 5344.
SkyWest 5344, can you take the frequency change?
Yeah.
SkyWest 5344, Connect approach 133.62.
3360, SkyWest 5344. Approach SkyWest 5344, setting up for 22 left, emergency aircraft.
5344, Chicago approach, check on for 28 right.
Negative, 22 left.
22 left, stand by. 344, do you have the field site?
Inferno, we do, SkyWest 5344.
344, cleared visual approach, only 22 left.
Clear visual, 22 left, SkyWest 344. Just look up.
344, proceed your discretion and contact tower 120.75.
Our discretion 075, SkyWest 344.
Sky 5344, O'Hare Tower, are you on the frequency?
Yes, we are. We're the final, 22 left.
Sky 5344, O'Hare Tower, the wind 170 at 7, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Left, clear land, SkyWest 344.